Hi, in this video, you're going to see how to create an automatic triangulation inside 3D utilities. As you may notice, we have the same example that we've used when we thought about virtual surveys. I've done this virtual survey over a point cloud. I've drawn my polylines. I've used insert pair blocks to add point blocks over every vertex of the polyline. So right now that I have this material, I'm able to do an automatic triangulation. It's really useful before you launch the automatic triangulation to have also these closed 2D polylines. So these are created specifically for the automatic segmentation of the model. So this way, when you will launch the command, you will automatically segment the various parts of the model, so to speak. It's really easy to create those. You simply use approximate 3D polyline by polyline. You go on and choose, for example, these two polylines, 1 and 2, set 0 elevation, and as you can see, they're projected on the ground, okay? Elevation 0. So right now you can close them, move them on the correct layer, of course, and you can do the same for all the elements that you need. Now we're going on top view and we're going to launch the command automatic triangulation. We select everything, we press enter. As you can see, the result is immediate. And we've obtained this model already segmented because, as we seen before, I've drawn the closed 2D polylines with 0 elevation. So right now you might need to edit this model in certain points because it might be incorrect. And this is mostly caused by the fact that if you haven't done a good virtual survey, so if it was an approximation, you may need to edit some parts such as this one. So right here I created a hole that I need to re-edit, and by using triangulate by vertices, I'm going to close these vertices, press enter, and I created my face. Actually, this is on the wrong layer, so I'm going to go back. I switched the layer, and again, going on by vertices, I'm creating my face. I'm going to press enter and OK. And this part of the wall now is correct. We're going to do the same for the ground, with actually this hole in the terrain that you can see. So again, we're going to use triangulate by vertices to close this particular hole. Of course, the layer is wrong. We're gonna switch it afterwards. So you want to do this step actually for every part that doesn't correspond to reality, basically, because as I've said before, if you're not accurate enough in the virtual survey, you might need to use the various manual triangulation commands in order to have a correct model. So you may want to intersect models, you may want to use triangulate closed polyline or triangulate by vertices based on what you need to realize. And this is the automatic triangulation.